You know, never believe it's not so. It's a crayon shop, you know. Never believe it's not a crayon shop, you know. I've never been awake, I've never seen a daybreak, sitting on my stool in the morning, lazy day in bed, coloring in my head, everybody singing along. I know you know. Oh, 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 it's a crayon shop, you know. Never believe it's not so. It's a crayon shop, you know. Never believe it's not so. Okay, I want some yellow, red, and orange. Do you have any of your stuff? My God, that is awesome. Is that the Brian hat? Oh my God.
You want red? Which red? There's pink in there too.
I want some red.
Take them all.
Oh, red! I'm gonna look at red where I want.
Is that all for you, ma'am?
I want this red right here. Yeah, that'd be all for me. Pull out my credit. Let me just pull out my credit card and. Okay. Do you take credit cards here?
No.
You will for me, yeah. What is it? What? You have some chest hair there. Got some chest hair. Okay, then I'll just get my crayons and go. On all these here. They're gonna hate me for the rest.
Cha-ching. Oh. Cha-ching.
Bye.
I'm feeling tired. Colored life 'cause life's been wild.